Welcome to another episode of Watch Once Over. My name is Big E, and today we're going to be checking out one of my personal watches. This is my Victorinox INOX Titanium Blue Pro Diver. Now, this watch is pretty cool. It usually comes on a paracord strap, but I did not like that, so I paired it with this tropical blue strap, and I like it a lot better. And this is a heavy-duty tropical strap, thicker than usual, and stiffer to go with this bigger watch. Now, this is a camouflage version, and this is equipped with a Swiss Ronda movement, which is extremely accurate and shock resistance, as well as anti-magnetic. I like these grab and go pieces because the time is usually always just about right, and the only thing you have to change is the date if you encounter an irregular month. Now, let's zoom in on this dial just a little bit. You can see that date wheel down right there at 4:30, white date wheel with black printing. It's excellent. You have this beautiful dial with the camo motif on here. Victorinox Swiss symbol at 12 o'clock. Victorinox Swiss Army printing is excellent. And you can see it says down there above 6 o'clock, professional diver, anti-magnetic, 200 meters of water resistance, and Swiss made down there between the 6 o'clock indices. So this is an ISO rated diver, and it is all Swiss made. You get this lovely big crown, which I will measure, and this is a titanium case, so it lightens up the whole watch. All bead plastic, extremely nicely finished tool watch, and I love it that it's quartz. Now you get a red second hand with that lollipop that is loomed, Super Luminova, huge 12 o'clock pip on the bezel, and this is 120 click bezel. Really nice, smooth action. Everything lines up. Zero back play. Anti-reflective sapphire crystal on this one, so it is packing a pretty big punch. And then you have this all engraved beveled bezel, as you can see, and it's actually pretty easy to grip because of these the way this scallop bezel is. So I think that's pretty good. Now, if you look at the dial, you have a extremely thought out reholt with red markers every 5 seconds, and then you have those beautiful applied Super Luminova indices and squared off sword style hands. Now, I'm going to do a measurement on this real quick because this watch isn't that small, but it's light because it is titanium. 45 millimeter watch, 14 millimeters thick. And the lug to lug on this one is about a 54. So this does have a long lug to lug. Now my wrist is 7.25 inches. This is what it looks like on my wrist. It does not look too big. And I could recommend this down to a wrist about 6 inches. It won't be out of place. And remember, this is a tool watch and it's a diver. So being big helps with it being legible in the water. So I think that's pretty cool. Now you get a screw down crown, a screw down back, all hyperallergenic. This is titanium on here. And that crown is just about 8 millimeters crown. So it's going to be easy to work. Signed with the Victorinox symbol shield on there with the Swiss cross. Same as at the 12 o'clock. So that all ties in together nicely. Now let's lume this up. And this lume is a treat for you. This is all Super Luminova and it's bi-colored. You get that cyan blue BGW9 and also the green Super Luminova on this one. This is what this watch is going to look like when you're transitioning from indoors to outdoors. The Lume pip is cyan blue and the minute hand is cyan blue. and then everything else is green. This is the nighttime shot, and you can see that 12 o'clock Victorinox shield is also lit up, and that bezel pip is crazy. That thing just glows just like that all night. That is one of the strongest pearls that I've ever seen, and I believe that the hands on this and that pearl is purposely stronger than the indices, because those are the two most important factors when you're going to be diving. So this watch is real nice. I like Victorinox. I just wanted to showcase this piece for you guys. And that's the Watch Once Over for today. My name is Big E. Tell me what you think about this one. God bless. Please subscribe, and I'll check you guys out on the next one. Thank you for watching.